Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from LUSH. I'm super excited about this because this should be all the Valentine's Day bath bombs and a bubble bar or two. So on top it shows I got a free item. I did throw in a non-Valentine's Day item just because it looked cool, and then some more products. So I'm going to show them to you, and then I will be posting the demos once I have those ready. This one is called the Tisty Toasty Bath Bomb. It did have something engraved there, but it's a little damaged. But there's some rose buds right on top embedded into it. So that looks cool. Heartbeat Bath Bomb that has some gold mica hearts on it. That one's super cute. This one came in a little satchel, I think because it has flower pieces in it. That way it doesn't clog up the tub. I think you just drop that whole thing in there, but I will have to read about it. It's called Love Me Do. That's cute. And this box smells amazing. Wow, that one's huge. Love Locket Bath Bomb 2021. So it's pink heart, has this little piece on top that looks like a keyhole, and that's a big bath bomb. Very nice. This one came a little damaged, but I had to get this one. So cute. I'm not sure I've ever used one of their bubble bars, but that's just adorable. So I'll definitely try that out. I'll be using the whole thing. I know it's best to like break it up in several baths, but for the sake of the video, I'll probably use the whole thing. This one is Temple of the Sky Bath Bomb. Now this one's not a Valentine's Day, it just looked really cool. So that's what that looks like. And as soon as I took it out of the bag, I had to take a closer sniff, but it kind of smells like yellow Pez. I know that's weird, but I like yellow Pez. So it smelled familiar to me. Then I have the Love Boat. Oh, that's cute. Oh, it's got little hearts in it too. Adorable. Lovely design. And then the last one. This one is called the Groovy Kind of Love Bath Bomb. That'll probably be really pretty in the tub with all those colors. And then I did get a sample that I found at the bottom. This is Odie Creamy Dreamy. This is shower cream. So very cool. I don't have a LUSH near me, so I do have to order mine online, but I hope you enjoy the demos. Make sure you stay tuned for those. I posted some Christmas ones, so I'm going to try to do like the holiday bath bombs on my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.